According to the National Fire Protection Association, in 47% of all fires reported, smoke detectors are not activated, either because there are none present or they're not functioning properly. I'm Captain Chad Winkler with the Vincennes Fire Department, and today I would like to demonstrate how to properly maintain your detectors. Proper maintenance consists of testing them, cleaning them, and changing the batteries. The first step in the maintenance process is to test your detector. Testing is very simple. All smoke detectors have a button on the front that looks similar to this. All you need to do is to press the button for up to 5 seconds or until you hear an alarm, such as this. If you don't hear the alarm, try it again. If after the second time your detector doesn't alarm, it's either defective or you need to change the battery, which we'll cover later on. The second step in maintaining your smoke detectors is to clean them. You should clean your smoke detectors once a month. You simply remove the detector from its base, take a vacuum hose attachment such as this, and vacuum around the opening that you'll see when you turn it over. After vacuuming the opening, take a damp cloth and wipe off the cover of the detector. This helps to prevent any dust from getting into the sensing chamber and preventing the detector from operating. After cleaning your detector, you should always test it to make sure that it's still functioning before you put it back up. The third step in maintaining your smoke detectors is to change the batteries. Your batteries should be changed twice a year, in spring and fall, or summer and winter. You simply turn it over and you'll find the battery compartment on the back. Some detectors, the battery will be around the outside. You'll just open a little compartment there. To remove the battery, pull on the ribbon and it pulls the battery out. It should be noted there's a little plastic tab here that goes inside the battery compartment. If you don't press that down when putting the battery back in, then it will prevent you from attaching the detector back to its base. Take a brand new battery. Don't ever use a used battery or one that you've taken from somewhere else. After all, this is a life-saving device. Take your brand new battery, ensure that it's properly aligned with the electrodes, press it against that tab, and rotate it down into the battery compartment. You should hear a beep when the battery goes in. After replacing the battery, before putting it back up on the ceiling or the wall, you want to test it again to ensure it's operating correctly. Today we've covered how to properly maintain your smoke detectors. I've showed you how to make sure that your detector is ready to do its job. Now you need to do your job by testing it, cleaning it, and changing the batteries regularly. According to the U.S. Fire Administration, 60% of all fire deaths occur in homes where there are no smoke detectors or they're not operating properly. So I leave you with a question. Would you be willing to give up 5 minutes of your time to ensure that you don't wind up on the wrong side of that statistic?